Hello and welcome to this video in which we will look at a new feature in Lumio by Smart that allows students to work on student response activities without having a teacher start a live session for students to complete their work. I'm Kyle Krenz, a technology integrationist with SWWC. Student response activities has been a feature activity of Lumio for years. These activities work well as formative assessments in the classroom. In the past, the teacher would create the activity, then the teacher would have to start the activity for students before they could access it to complete the questions and give their responses. Now, in the setup of these student response activities, teachers have the options to choose either to have students complete the activity in a live session started by the teacher, just like in the past, or choose the independent work option. This allows students to complete the activity in the time period of their choosing, as long as they have access to the activity. Why could this feature be useful for teachers? By allowing students to complete the activity on their own while not being in a live session allows the teacher to use the activity as an outside the live classroom setting, possibly as homework, a homework assignment, or to allow the activity to be completed by students should the class period run short on time. These are just two ways to take advantage of using this new feature setting. You can find other helpful tutorial videos like this one by visiting and subscribing to our YouTube channel, SWWC Technology Integration. Thank you for your time and attention.